see what the shit show is. What is this call button? What the fuck? Alright, well, let's go up. How's it going? Bro, this thing's a piece of shit. What the fuck? Alright, here we go. Ooh. Why does it scroll so fast? The fuck? Oh, this runs like ass. What is this? I guess that down lantern only works. What is this thing? Jesus Christ! These things run like ass. Jesus. What the fuck is this? Yeah, this thing's fucking freaky. Why? It has such bad rollback. Who maintains these things? A fucking potato? At least they're not too slow. I like how it says pH on the indicator and literally fucking everywhere else it says 11. Well, I guess that's it. All right.